So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Welcome to Spoken English classes by Sambhav Jain. So what we will discuss today, you can see the thumbnail of our video. So we will discuss about importance of plantation or the importance of planting trees. So recently, some students already done plantation in their schools. Okay. So and plantation day has also completed or gone. Right now, today we will discuss about plantation. Means importance of plantation. Why plantation is required. So you all know why we need plantation. What is the meaning of plantation? Means plant the trees. सो अगर हम इस चीज़ की बात करें कि अगर प्लांट द ट्रीज, तो हम पेड़ों को क्यों लगाते हैं, प्लांट क्यों करते हैं, फर्स्ट आप लोग बताओगे, देन आई विल कैप्चर ऑल योर ओपिनियंस, देन आई विल गिव माई फीडबैक एंड I will share my point of view also. Okay. So first of all, today's presentation will start by Harshit Agrawal. Okay. Harshit, please come on the stage. आप लोग अगर चैनल पर नए तो एक बार चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए और इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखिए. लाइक कमेंट शेयर करना नहीं भूलिएगा. हर्षित, प्लीज कम ऑन द स्टेज. Right now you can start or speed up.
Good evening everyone, I am Harshit Agrawal and today I am here to present a speech on the importance of planting tree. So first of all, I want to tell you what is plantation of tree. Plantation of tree means plant the tree. We have to plant at least one tree in the week. We plant trees by some implements like rowel and so many more. Now I will tell you what is the importance of plant tree. Trees very important for us. We know that trees give us oxygen, that is the main thing, and they also take carbon dioxide from us, and they give us so many medicines and so many more things. Trees give us shadow, and we have to plant at least one tree in the week, because trees are very important for our upcoming generation. They can play with our tree, and they can take fresh air. Nowadays there are so many, we know there are so many problems of deforestation we face, so we have to stop the deforestation and continue the plantation. We plant trees in the soil. They need some fertilizer, water and sunlight and so many more things, and we also get food by our plants that is grown by farmers. They face so many problems to give us food. Thank you. That's all about my topic.
So first of all, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, all of you. So I am Christy Agrawal, and today I am here to present the topic, why it is important to plant trees. As you can see here also, the importance of planting trees, and I agree with Harshit's opinion, because he said that nowadays there is a very much importance of trees, because there is a dryness around us, and there is a where the temperature is also increasing, and for our generation it is also very hard, and the farmers also work for us, and they work a lot and struggle to give us food by their farms. And now I will tell you about my opinions. Plantation is very important for the trees, because it not only gives us oxygen, but it also gives us many sources, just like it gives us wood for furniture, and it also gives us shadows, because the farmers who struggle and who do work at their farm, they take some rest in the shadow of the trees, and it also maintain the level of water, and it is very planting trees is very important. Not only planting trees, after planting trees you have to take care of them also. You have to water them, not only at the place where there is dryness. You can plant them anywhere on your houses, terrace or nearby your house. and you should plant trees by making and spreading this thing, just like we have to plant more and more trees. You can make a group of 2 to 3 people, and you can make a goal that we will plant 4 to 5 trees per month. And by doing this, you can plant trees, and you can do something for our earth. And by planting trees, not only for our survival, our earth also looks very well, and there is a greenery everywhere. There is positivity around us. And thank you, that's all about my topic. And now I will like to present a quote, that is plant trees, plant lives. Thank you.
So hello everyone, all my dear friends. I am Ayush Mistry. So today's my topic is why plantation is important. So plantation is important in many ways. As if we grow plants, so we can get a proper amount of food, a proper amount of oxygen, and a proper maintenance of the environment. We often cut the tree because we want resources to grow over a generation. So if we not grow over generation, it will be less of resources that the pollution is growing up. So the most of the people not grow plants. Why they not grow plants? Because they are very lazy, as they thought that the plantation is very hard, but plantation is very easy. But most of the people, mostly girls, aware of that in the soil most of the time worms like earthworms came into the soil, and they got afraid and get out of the area. They thought that it was a tentacle that it will eat them. So they should not do that. They should plant the tree even if there was an earthworm. If they plant tree, they could eat food. They could eat a proper fresh vegetables and fresh fruits. If they grow plants, so they will be able to respire easily. I have seen many people that they grow plants in the mountain, that the mountain become greenery. So they are good people who grow plants. Thank you.
Good evening everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Bhargav. Today I am here to presenting a topic on the importance of planting trees. The importance of planting trees is very important for our human life, because there is no tree, so there is no life, because we get oxygen from plant, because and the plant take carbon dioxide and release oxygen, and we take that oxygen and we get vegetable, food, water from trees. And in nowadays there is no trees, so the temperature of our earth is increasing day by day due to the not planting trees. And we have seen there are also drop, and we in this situation we cannot survive. That's all about my topic.
So first of all, hello everyone, I am Tejal Agrawal, and today I am presenting a topic that is the importance of planting trees. So if we talk about the planting trees, it is very important nowadays, and if we plant trees, it will make our environment more green and our environment filled with greenery and fresh air. And we should plant trees at our homes, in our gardens. And if we plant trees in our home and garden, so hold the house and our balcony filled with fresh air and oxygen. And if there is one tree at the front of our house, it is good for us, because we are getting full oxygen of that tree. And do you know, each person needs 200 trees. So can you think how many trees we need in our world? So I request everyone to at least plant one tree in month, if you cannot plant one tree in week. And if we talk about the others opinion, I agree with Harsh, and the Harshit. But if Ayush talk about that girls don't plant trees because of the insects, that is not the problem. And if we talk about the earthworms, and earthworms maintain the soil nice, and it is moisture if there are earthworm in our soil. And if we plant more and more trees, it is good for our environment. And the trees have water drops, and in the water cycle transportation, as you all know, so if there are trees, so we get our water cycle always be continued. That's all related to my topic.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Harshit Yadav and today I am representing a topic why plantation is important. So first I will tell about what is plantation. Plantation mean we are planting sapling or trees. So next I will tell about why plantation is important. Plantation is very important in everyone's life because it gives us oxygen and it makes our environment so green and fresh. And nowadays the temperature is very high at 39 to 40 degree, and if we plant more tree, so we can reduce our temperature and our atmosphere will be cool and calm, and in the air is also blowing cool. And if we plant tree, so if we plant tree, so plant gives us many things like wood, minerals, shelter for birds and animals. Even human make their shelter in the trees, like tree house and many more. That's all from my topic.
Good evening to everyone. My name is Vizen. Today I am here to present a topic on why plantation is important. Plantation is very important for every living beings. If we don't do plantation, it is not possible to live. Many people start trees for building homes and factories. If they start trees, so why they not grow? I think they do more to more trees. I see only one thing: plant more to more trees. Plant more trees, live more time. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Shayan and today I'm here presenting a topic. This is the importance of planting trees. Yes, I am agree with the alls, and they are telling good for the planting of tree. As per me, the plantation of tree is very important. So first of all, I want to tell you about what is the process of planting tree. In this process, we have to plant the tree by using many equipments, and there are a lot of benefits of the planting trees on our nature. Like it is helpful for our soil to make fertility, and it is also helpful to rain also. And now I want to tell you about how it is helpful for our human being. Like if we want to if we get many resources from the plants, and if we not do planting, so we cannot get that much resources. Like we get resources, furnitures. The main source of plant is wood. By this we can make us good. And now I want to tell you about the main cause of planting. We know the population of world is around 144 billion, and if a person grow one tree, so we can understand the total percentage of trees how much. And I want to say that those pupils do planting, so I have a proud on them, and those they are not do planting, so they on shame on you, so shame on them. And now I want to tell us a quote, that is everyone want to park their car on the shade of tree, but no one wants to grow tree. Thank you.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Divyansh Rawat. Today I am here to presenting our topic. So my topic name is the plantation is the importance of plantation. So like I am agree with Suresh point, because if every person, like India in India's population 1.44 billion. So if one person grow a one tree, so we grow 144 billion trees. So that's good our nature, because plantation is very important for our nature and living beings also. Because plant fresh our air, and they clean our air. So plant is very important, and plant is a auto topic because they make their own food, and they make their own food by the process of photosynthesis. But we all are heterotopic because we don't make our own food like that plant make, and animal is also a heterotopic that depends on trees and others animal. That's all about my topic.
Good evening to all. I am Krishna and my topic is importance of plantation. The plantation is very useful for us and animal, and there are so many benefits of plant. One of the most useful benefit is the plant provide us fresh air by inhale carbon dioxide, and they provide us many fruits, vegetable, and shelter for animal. And plant protect our environment, and the plant maintain a temperature of earth, and the world plantation day celebrated on 21st June, and the plant is very important for us. That's all.
Good evening to all. Good evening to all. My name is Gaurav. I study in standard. Today I am presenting a topic of the importance of tree plantation. Tree plantation is a very necessary because tree provides oxygen to us and environment, and make the air quality is better. If more trees are planted in this is our world, environment will become a places to live in. Tree plantations and reduce the pollutions. That's all.
Good evening, sir, and all of you. I am Ishika. Today I present a topic. My topic name is plantation. Why plantation useful? Tree plantation is necessary because it provide oxygen to the environment, and make the air quality fresh and better. Tree plantation has many advantages on the earth. Tree plantation signal to planting trees, and trees are very useful for us because it give us oxygen, and there are many things to make with the help of trees. Thank you.
Good evening, all of you and respected sir. I am Yisraj Yadav. I am here to present a topic of the importance of planting trees. As you can see, here is written. So I start my topic. Plantation is useful and important for our earth because we depends on tree. Tree gives us food, water, and also oxygen and many things. And tree make by the plant when the plant grown for some years, and Also plant maintain 10% of raining water, and if there is rain water, so the plant can grow fastly, and the plant are also eaten by herbivores like goat, sheep and etc. And if there's no plant, we can't survive, because there's many much deforestation in the world. So the plant maintains the temperature of the earth, and only there is only there is some trees in the world. So if we plant only one plant, so there's many people in the world. So you can see how many plants are there in the earth. And plants also gives us oxygen and take carbon dioxide, and also they gives us flower, and also eaten by herbivores. And that's all about my topic. And I want to share a quote about the importance of plant can survive without humans, but human can't survive without plants. That's all.
First of all, good evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Samyak Jain. I study in class 8. Today I am here to represent a topic that is the importance of planting trees. Plantation is very useful because plantation provide oxygen to the environment and make the air quality better. If more trees are planted, then our world environment will become a safer place to live. Plantation also reduce the pollution, thus saving the life of a future generation also. That's all about my topic.
Evening, sir, and all of you. My name is Nitya Agrawal. Today my topic name is the importance of planting trees. Planting trees is a very important for human life, because there is no tree for no life. Planting trees provide a useful medicine, fruits, and etc. Tree give oxygen, and tree release oxygen and take carbon dioxide. There are so many trees like chandan tree, purple tree, and etc. Trees provide us fresh air and water. That's all.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Rawat. I am here the topic of tree. I am here to topic. The name is tree. Trees are very important for us. They are give oxygen and take carbon dioxide. But there are many. There are all. But are live in tree. Tree are release the fresh oxygen, and tree are give the food and shelter, and there are many and many animals are living both down the tree.
Good evening, everyone. Once again, I am with you. Today, I am here to presenting a quote, and my quote is: everyone wants to eat many type of food, but not anyone wants to grow any type of plant.
So I am gonna tell you one more quote, which is: "You are the only one who can plant more and more trees and save the lives of the people." Thank you.
Once again, hello everyone. Today, again, I am presenting a quote that is: if you will plant a tree, you will continue the cycle of human life. And we should plant tree. If there is no plant, there is no human life, and there is no plant, so there is no human. That this quote is written by me. Thank you.
So hello everyone. Again, hello everyone. I am Harshit Agrawal and I am here to present a quote. If you spread the awareness of greenery, so you can live happily.
So first of all, good evening everyone. My name is Kushau. Today I am representing my topic, plantation of trees. So trees are very important for oxygen and foods for humans. Just imagine there are a lot. The population of world is increasing day by day, and suppose after 50 years there are a lot of population but trees are there. So as Tejal Siri said, the one man needs to at least 200 trees to take oxygen. So all in all, I think plant most trees and become our earth more green. Thank you. That's all about my topic.
So I want to say that all the students have performed well, and all the students are very well. So that they perform so good, as they are as they are good performer. So that they will be graduated. That they are the important part of the environment. So let I tell you about some quotes. So keep smiling by spreading the colors of greenery. Keep smiling by spreading the colors of greenery, where a place will form where your pupil will live happily. And the second quote: punish the person who cut tree. Punish the person who cut tree. Then tell him to grow more tree. Thank you. So last, like, comment and share the channel of Spoken Class by Sambhav Jain.